Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkle Queen. Yeah, welcome back to Sparkle Queen Abby tonight. I know I said just one, but well, guess what? I was thinking about to do another video with you guys. So we're at this point to collab with someone, and I don't know who I would love to collab with. So we're at that point to collab. With I would say only in Spanish, Iowa, because I'm from here. Only from that, because I don't know who I would collab with. I know there's one person that is Allison Day and all that, but it has to be here in Spanish, Iowa, but we need to have I'm thinking about school, to collab with school. That'd be kind of cool if I did with the Spirit Lake schools. That'd be really cool if I did something like that. That'd be really cool. But tonight we're not gonna talk. Well, we did talk about that right now, so we did that. So tonight, guys, I know you haven't seen it for a while. I know you guys have seen it for a long time, but you guys know, we're gonna fill up tonight. Yep, we're gonna fill up, more Cheerios and tonight. Yep, that, and then also, we're gonna reorganize. Yep, we're gonna reorganize in my mini fridge over here too. So we're gonna be doing that together to restructure. Yeah, you guys know that. Yeah. But yeah, so I'll be doing that with you here in a couple minutes. But you guys know, the two things in my little pantry area, it's always been the two things. It's always been the Cheerios and granola bars. So we're gonna do that tonight with you guys. So we're gonna get that done, and then yeah, and we're gonna put the story Sprite in tonight too, by the way. So we're gonna be those two things tonight. I know, right? I know. Yeah. I know it's been a long week. So I better tell you guys what I'm gonna do for next Thursday. Yeah. I am gonna do group. I'm gonna do group next week. So yes, on the 15th of Thursday. I would say right after with when I'm done with my person on Thursday, you know that. Yeah, and you guys know that. So apparently we're doing it's right after Valentine's Day. Right after that is we're doing bingo and Subway. Yeah. Yeah. And I gotta bring $2 for bingo for that. So yes, I'll be doing that. Yeah, I'll be doing that next week after Valentine's Day. Yeah, right after that. Yeah. That'll be a really fun night for that. Yep. I'm not into into bingo a whole lot. Not a whole lot, but mostly Subway. I'm fine with that. But yeah, I know, but this is kind of different a little bit. This will be a really good friend of mine that I know. It's Caitlin, and that's her group is going, so I'll be going to that. And then I will definitely do the last two. Yep. The last two will be really, really cool. I would definitely do Sorry about that. It's gonna be the following Thursday. I think next Thursday I would definitely talk about it next Thursday, okay? Cool. I like that idea. Alright, so I'm glad we talked about that. Alright, I think we should. At least we talked about 2 things already. So let's get all this stuff done, and then we can do reorganizing my fridge. That would take the longest. So we're gonna do the little things first, and we can get that done. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah, guys. Sorry with my language, but yeah. There'll be some little bit bad language of my videos. Just a little bit. Not too bad, okay? Cool. Yep. Okay. And also we're going to do a layout for the supper too, by the way. We're going to also do that tonight too. Well, before we do that, I think we need to take off a few things on my bed. So let's do that tonight. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then we will fill up, okay? Yeah. I know. I get really stressed out a lot. I know, right? I know my bed is just a mess right now. I know. I know, right? Trying to get that straightened out. Yeah. For tonight. Yeah. And we will also put my pajamas up here too. There. Yep. There we go. Oh yes. Okay. I know my shoulder does hurt still. Maybe if I take some more pills tonight, hopefully to get that pain away. So yeah. 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 I know, right? At least we're doing the layout tonight too, by the way. So yeah, with you real quick too. So yeah, before I go to policeman tonight. I know, right? Alright. Let's do the Cheerios. Yeah, you guys know it. And I better tell you, yes, on the 15th. Yes, on the 15th. I know that's on a Thursday. That means it's going to be Lent. It's Lent season coming. I know I'm not very happy about it, but I'll be cranky for a couple of days. Just to let you guys know what's going on for that. Yeah. I'm going to be one cranky happy on that night. Just to let you guys know what's going on. I'm going to be cranky and ticked off. Yeah, because you don't mess with me. Yeah, you don't mess with Abby ever. If you actually poke the bear or whatever, if you do, don't poke it. And I will get after you. And I don't think you want that. So, but I really do mean this about this. This is serious. At least I'm getting to the point here. If someone does poke it, then don't do it. Or you'll see the ugly side. I'm not saying you guys are ugly, but I'm not saying that, but you guys are so beautiful. No matter what. But I know, it will get into the ugly thing. And I don't think you want to see that. Yeah. Trust me. I know, right? Alright. Let me get the Cheerios. Yep. Yeah, that. Yep, and granola bars. Yep. You guys know it. Yeah. You guys really do know it. Like, things do come. Yep, there's about... Yep. All right. Okay. Got the granola bars. We're good. And by the way, I will have an orange tonight for supper tonight. I know I'm just getting into that again, and yeah. I know, right? Crazy today, right? Okay, let's do the Cheerios first, and then right after that, then will be granola bars, and then we're doing little things first, then we'll go into the big, yeah. Is that a good deal? Yeah? Alright. Cool. I know, right? I know, right? I know. Okay, I have a question. I never asked you guys, does anyone know how to collab with someone with, I've never done that before, so I need to try with it. I would definitely try a collab. Yeah, I've never done collab on YouTube before, so just, do you guys have any ideas? Let me know in the comments if there's really cool ideas so I can collab with someone. Yeah. Yeah. So just let me know if it does such a thing. So we got that. Yeah. Yeah. I know, right? We're just gonna check the time quick here, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay. Yep. I know, right? We're almost done with the Cheerios. We just need to get this one done. Yep. Oh, tell ya. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I know, right? Crazy. Alright, so guess what? We got the Cheerios done, guys. Yeah. Well, before we do that, let's put the other Cheerios in here for supper tonight. Yeah. Yep, we're gonna do that right now for supper. Yep, it's for supper, so yeah. Yep. I know, right? It's been a long day. Yeah, my day was awesome. Ah, dang, we just no. No. Show your dust. There we go. Just have that now. Alright. I know, right? I know, I'm a very talkative person. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I've been working so hard. Yeah. Yeah. Almost done here with the granola bars, guys. So we're almost done with this one, and then we'll go to the My Mini Fridge here in a minute. And then when we get to the My Mini Fridge, that would be when I'm done making this video for you guys to enjoy, to watch this video tonight. For you guys to watch this video, when I'm done making this video, you guys will watch it, give me a like, yeah, always like, comment, and subscribe. Those are my goals, not my goals, but those are my rules. If you don't like my rules, then bye. Or if you're gonna be so loyal and friendly and trust and care and the kindness. Because if I keep making these videos for you guys, then why bother? Because with I make my money pretty darn good. Because you guys know I do make my own money. Yeah. I make my money, I pick my time. Those are the main things that I've been talking about. If you don't like it, I know some of you guys have been loving my content. I know all of you guys are loving it. But I know this one person always hates everything. But that's his opinion. And I'm not going to think about that. I know that's going to be hard. Yeah. Well, guys, I understand on both sides. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna put my pajamas on my bed quick, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that now so I won't forget. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm doing this right now. Alright. Just do that. Moving this thing up. Just a little bit. Alright. Alright, the pantry is done for the night. Are you guys ready for the mini fridge organization? Yeah, I know, right? Gonna reorganize everything in. I'll show you first, and then after that, I'm gonna show you first, and then take a picture of it. Yep. Yeah, that's how it looks right now. It is a pain in the butt. So, yep. I know I haven't shown you from, in my haul earlier. Yes, we have new milk, of course. Yep. For that, we have 3 of Lunchables. And then up here, we have lettuce. Yep. And that's it for that. So that's awesome. So the one thing that we're going to do first, let's reorganize with the meats. So we're going to do that right now, okay? So that's going to be the first thing we're going to do. Yep. We're going to take these things out first. Yep. Yep, reorganize. Get all the water out. Yep. I'm going to do that here in a minute. Yep. Yep. Okay. I know it's a little dirty, but it's not bad. It's not too bad. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. I know, right? Crazy. Yep. I'm gonna put this, like, it's gonna be on the side. Always on the side. Always happen. Yep. Yep. And then this thing can go right here back. And these things can go here too. Like on the side here too. Yeah. That we're doing that right now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. We're good. We're guys in, so that's good. And the thing can go right here. Yep. Perfect. And then this thing can go on the side here for right now. Yep. We got that taken care of. Yay. Oh wait, now we're going to do the soda. Oh yes, we're going to do the soda for right now. Well, before we do it. We're just going to move this thing right here for right now. Yep. We just need to move that for a little bit. Alright. Let's do the soda quick, guys. So, yep. Yep. Okay. I would definitely show you. Let me move this thing. So this thing, I'm going to show you. This is the Starry Sprite. So this thing is so good. It's really good. Yeah. It's really good. So that's what we're going to do. This in here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so that's why we're doing this now. Yep. Yeah. I know, right? That's done for the night for that. So I'm glad we did that tonight. I'm glad we put these things. Oh, well, sorry. So we just did these things in. There's a little bit of red right there. That's for the Mountain Dew right now. But yeah. Yeah. So I just need to finish this milk and this one here too. To finish this out. Yep. Yep. So, yeah. So that's done for that. I thought it was gonna take a little bit longer, I thought. But I guess not. For tonight. Cool. Even better. I'm thrilled to get that done. Put the thing back here. And this. Yes, this is the 64-ounce of water bottle that I gotta drink. Yeah, that. I know I don't want to do it, but you know, I have to do it for next month. I know, right? Okay. Whew. I know, right? I know. I'm going to put you guys right here. Oh, come on, Abby. So, there we go, Abby. There we go. We're good. There we go. We're good. Everything good. I know, right? Okay, so we're just not going to cook right away. Yeah, we're not doing it right away. So, that is just fine. We're going to just do the layout of it, okay? Let me fix something here quick. Yeah, right? For that, alright. Alright, I'm going for this, so if you guys don't mind. Alright. So I just took my oranges out. So we're gonna get the orange out right now. Yep. Yeah. I know, right? Yeah. So yeah, this morning, yeah. I forgot to mention to you guys, I did have my fruit this morning. It was a banana this morning. Yeah, it was a banana this morning. Then lunch was the apple. Yeah. And then tonight is the orange tonight. So this one I'm having a palate change. So yeah. So for that. So yeah. So that's why we're doing that. Oh hell yeah. So it's my language. Yeah, I'm not kidding about that. Alright. Alright. Let's do one more time with the Cheerios. Again. Yeah. Let's check the time one more time because please be in practice. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, so yep, in a couple of minutes I will leave. In a couple of minutes. Yep. Pretty soon. Yep. Yep. I know. I'm always hungry. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, one for good luck. What? Yeah, I know, right? And then tonight will be just simple things tonight. Yeah. Yeah, tonight will be ham. Well, yeah, tonight will be slab of ham and bacon strips. Yep, those things tonight. Because I don't want to overdo it tonight. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, I'll call her back in a minute. I'm going to call her back in a minute here. But, guys, so you guys to see a lot of things tonight. But I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to, like, comment, and, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Those three things, at least I'm not asking for much. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.